Hi. Let's learn how to read plural nouns and the present tense form of regular verbs, adding s or es. The second is
Z,
when the last sound of the base form of the verb or noun has one of the following sounds, not letters, sounds.
O, Z, B, D, G, M, N, R, M, Z,
And all vowel sounds. The added s or es is pronounced
Z, Z. Roll, Z, rolls, rolls, rolls. Swing, z, swings, swings, swings. Dry, z, dries, dries, dries.
feel, feels, wail, wails, love, loves, dive, dives, rib, ribs, robe, robes, cloud, clouds, mode, modes, jug, jugs, drag, drags, car, cars, scare, scares, dam, dams, flame, flames, comb, combs, column, columns, mine, mines, pen, pens, rain, rains, wing, wings, song, songs, bathe, bathes, clothe, clothes, ballet, ballets, cry, cries, enjoy, enjoys, potato, potatoes. Practice. Plays, plays, plays. Songs, songs, songs. She plays beautiful songs. She plays beautiful songs. She plays beautiful songs. Next. Clouds, clouds, clouds. Whales, whales, whales. The clouds look like whales. The clouds look like whales. The clouds look like whales. Next. Loves, 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 shoes, shoes, shoes. My dad loves his orange shoes. My dad loves his orange shoes. My dad loves his orange shoes. Last. Cries, cries, cries. Toys, toys, toys. Pens, pens, pens. Dams, dams, dams. My son cries over toys, pens, and dams. My son cries over toys, pens, and dams. My son cries over toys, pens, and dams. Good job. Bye.